Hi, I'm Phoebe Welburn at the Welburn Gourd Farm, and I'm here to show you Craft-Ready Ornaments. So first I'm going to show you what some people have done with these. These are the large ornaments, and this one just has a really pretty little floral design. This was actually done by my sister, Laura Cunningham. She actually gave these to us, like my mom and like some of the family members last Christmas. So this one's really cute. It's got these little silver embellishments. And then Christy Barajas did this one. She actually used the design that my sister made, and she recreated it and just did a couple modifications, like she did the carving here. So you can do such cool things with these ornaments, and again, they make great gifts. So I just wanted to show you what you can expect when you buy the different sizes, because some people get confused by the size range. So they're measured by diameter, and this is the large. But they're a range, so you can see there's different sizes in the bag. The qualification for it to be a large is it's over 2.5 inches. So for example, this little guy, I have my sizing board here. It's not very pretty, but it's effective. So this over here is the 2.5 inch ring. So you can see it actually doesn't go through. So that means it qualifies as the large. We gotta have a cutoff point somewhere. So that is considered a large, even though this one is also considered a large. So just trying to, show you what to expect when you buy the bag. So this is the medium. And again, there's a range when you get these, because of they have to have a cutoff point somewhere. So this one has, it's actually almost 2.5 inches, but it does go through. It goes through that hole, that 2.5 inch hole. So now it's considered a medium size. So as long as it's over, here's my board for the smaller sizes. As long as it's over 2 inches, so it doesn't go through that ring, it's a medium. So again, there'll be a range when you, whoops, and they're really sturdy. Okay, we're gonna show you the small last. So here's our small range. You can have these really cute little ones. And then this one's at the larger end of the range. So you might think, well, gosh, isn't that a medium? It's actually not, because if you take our sizing board, it goes through. You can see that, it goes through the 2 inch hole, which means it still qualifies as a small. So hopefully that helps you understand the size ranges so you know which size to order for your project. Thanks for watching.